All right, what's up guys? So today we're gonna fold a tarp. I'm gonna show you guys how we fold the tarp. And you can do this by yourself. It's a little bit difficult, but just for a matter of showing you guys and to simplify it, I got my brother here. He's gonna help me fold it all up. So let's get it done. All right, so as you can see, I got Brennan over there. He's ready to do this. And so the first thing you need to do is, if you have that flap on the tarp, you gotta fold it in. So we're gonna go do that. All right, now that we have that flap folded up, we're gonna take these sides and we're gonna drag them to the middle, each side, and then we're gonna do it again and again till we have one uniform line, then we're gonna roll it up. One thing I did forget to mention is you wanna make sure that these hooks are facing up so that when you roll your tarp out on your load, you can just fold it down, opposite of what we're gonna do now. So we take this and we just drag it to the middle. Same with this side. All right, let's do it again. All right, so we'll go one more time. All right, now remember we have that flap on that side. So we drag this end over there so that when you're on your load, you just drag the top end to the back so your flap always stays in front. So I'm going to drag this end to that end. All right, now the reason I didn't drag it all the way is because when we roll it up, the top piece will slide forward. So now all there's left to do is roll it up. All right, we got to get it nice and tight so that we can get the smallest roll possible. And that, my friends, is how you roll up a tarp. Now, I will have a video coming out shortly on how to patch one, so stay tuned for that one.